everyone, it's Amanda Wray coming to you today. Another happy Tuesday to everyone that's out there. And I wanted to make this quick video because today what I want to discuss is direct mail, of course, but also fear. Is fear holding you back? And what I was able to do to overcome fear. Okay. Hey, Linda. Hey, Ontarian. Thanks so much for tuning in. For those that don't know, I've been doing direct mail since 2016. It has helped me to establish and earn a full-time income. And what I want to do is just speak to those out there who want to take the chance, who want to have a home-based business, but they're afraid to do so. They don't know which way to go, or if they should start the program or not, or, you know, thinking about all of the things that has happened to them in the past. So what I want to do first is I am going to congratulate some people who have sent in some payments. I got a ton of mail that came in. And I just want to talk from past experience of when I was going through those issues and when I was trying to face my fears after dealing with a ton of failure over and over and over again. And this was in 2015. I was one of those people. I was looking for a home-based business opportunity. I wanted to work online. I wanted to live the laptop lifestyle. That's what I wanted for myself and my family. I wanted to be able to spend more time with my kids. I was over my job. I was over the things that I was going through, how I was being treated, not feeling like my opinion mattered at my job, not feeling as if I had the freedom to move the way that I wanted. And what I have to say is that mentally, you have to make a commitment. Hey, Felicia. Hey, Anthony. Hey, Brenda. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Let me know where you're tuning in from. You have to make a commitment to yourself that there has to be a bigger reason why. And it has to be sometimes more than just, I want to do it for my kids. I want to do it for myself. I want to do it for my family. Your why has to be bigger than that, because at the end of the day, it's not going to be the easiest thing to do, but one of the hardest things that can keep you stagnated is being consistent within your business, even when it seems as if you're not getting to where you need to be, when you're not moving as fast as you want to, still being consistent, because at the end of the day, that's what's going to pay off in the long run. When I have spoken to a lot of other people who are in affiliate marketing programs that work from home, that do this full time, the one thing that they said that kept them going was believing what it is that they were promoting, but not only that, staying consistent even when there were no results. And that's the hardest thing to do, guys, because mentally you're battling within yourself if what you're doing is actually going to work. But not only that, are you wasting your time? Okay. And a lot of people do not like to waste time. Not only that, with going to a job, you're used to getting paid every week, every 2 weeks. And when you are working for yourself, that is not the case. So now what we have to do is we have to think about the online business space, how it works, how we're going to get into program of being consistent within our business so that we can see a consistent income. And that's one of the reasons why I do a lot of trainings, one-on-one trainings, one-on-one coachings. But not only that, I stay consistent with giving people information, because I want people to know that it is possible. And if I can do it, anybody can do it. I didn't go to school for this. This is not something that I learned overnight, but with a lot of trial and error, I was able to overcome the heartache and being depressed about my business not growing the way that it should. But then there's a lot of things that I went through where I'm able to teach the average person, don't do that, but you need to do that. And not only that, just showing people what you need to do and what shortcuts you should not take when it comes to your business. And there's a lot of shortcuts that people take when it comes to their business that's costing them a ton of money. I've been there, done that. I want to just open this really quick. It came from Billy. I just want to say thank you to Billy. He is the person that we get our leads from. And today, I got in the mail my 1,000 peel and stick labels. And I'm just excited about that, because leads is the thing that keeps your business going. And I've been waiting for my leads for my opportunity. These are the peel and stick labels that we get when we send out our postcards through the program, which is called Passive Profits, that I've been in now for a little bit over a month and a half. And he has really good leads. They've been converting. I actually had people that called in, closed $300 sales, $500 sales using these leads. So thanks so much to Billy for actually sending those out to me. I'm extremely excited about that, and I can't wait to get them in the mail. Hey, Ed. Good afternoon. Hey, Linda. Good afternoon. So what I want to tell people is that you can make money with direct mail. You can make money with online and offline opportunities. You just have to make a decision and a commitment to move past your fears. Have a game plan before you get started. Whether you're speaking to your sponsor, your mentor, your coach, whoever it is, so that when you get started, you're not going in blindsided, but you know what you need to do to actually get the ball rolling. You're not just getting into this business and not really knowing what needs to be done or how things need to be done. So first thing I want to do is show one of my payments that I got with Passive Profits. And yes, guys, this has been over a $7,000 week for me. I don't want to show the personal information, but as you can see, this has been made out to me, Amanda Wray, for $7,381. And this is not to brag, but to show you what is possible when you get started, when you are consistent within your business. Within my first 6 months with direct mail, I was able to earn $50,000 in profit. And at first I was just using the postcards, but then I started to use other marketing methods, and that allowed my business to explode and actually take off. And I know it's possible because I am a living witness that you can do well within this business. So this first packet came in from Cheryl. Cheryl sent in a payment. We're going to go ahead and open this up. Hey, Charles, thanks for tuning in. Guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. Okay, so this is Cheryl. She sent in 2 books of stamps. I received an electronic payment from her. So the 2 books of stamps came in from a payment that was already made electronically. For those that don't know, you can also send in the money for the stamps if you don't want to send in the stamps separately, okay? We have Crystal from New Jersey who sent it in an envelope. Crystal from New Jersey. And we have here a payment. She put it inside of a magazine. A lot of people do that, use an old magazine. Crystal, thanks so much for joining. Another thing that I want to talk about too, let's just see how much she paid and what we're going to go on. She paid $300. She upgraded to the Sapphire level. Here's a $300 money order and 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much, Crystal. Glad to have you a part of the team. So another thing that I want people to understand too, another thing that's really important is training. Because when you view people's trainings, and not only that, you learn certain different type of traffic sources and different marketing strategies, it helps you and allows you to take your business to the next level. So if you're dealing with people or you have a sponsor that's using more than one traffic generation strategy, you want to work on trying to follow that strategy, okay? And that's going to also help you to take your business to the next level. So if you go onto YouTube, already a part of direct mail, go into the file section, go into some of the videos that the owners are doing or maybe their partners are doing, and just view the information and see what people are doing on a consistent basis to get results. Because listen, you don't have to follow everything that they do, but there are certain strategies that's going to allow you to move faster, and you want to learn and apply that. And another thing is when you learn something, try to apply it as quickly as possible. Don't wait weeks. Don't wait days to do it. Try to get started as quickly as you can, because the first 90 days within your business is imperative. That's going to really let you know how successful you're going to be within your business based off of how quickly you actually tackle your business within the first 90 days. So we have Jamal from Hawaii. Jamal from Hawaii who sent in a payment. We're going to just open this up. Hey, Tanya, thank you. Hey, Twilla. Good morning, Stacy. Hey, Leslie, thanks for tuning in. So we have a payment here, and we're going to open this up. Guys, I'm telling you, when I first got my first payment of when I was in direct mail, I was extremely happy. It wasn't a lot. It was only $75, but that one payment changed my life. It allowed me to really know that this is real and this is something that I really can do and really get paid from. Okay, and that's all it took was that one payment, and I've been on a roll ever since. So we have here Jamal from Hawaii. Jamal came in at the Ruby level. I received a $150 payment and 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much, Jamal. Glad to have you a part of the team. Okay. And then we have here Errol from Florida. Here's another packet, guys. Errol from Florida. We're going to open this up, see what we have here. And then with Passive Profits, guys, we have trainings every Thursday, over-the-shoulder training to show you how to promote your business. Easy methods that will take you literally 30 to 40 minutes that you can do on a daily basis to actually start earning within your direct mail opportunity, okay? So Errol came in at the Ruby level as well. For those that don't know, with Impact Mailing Club, they still have the promotion going on. If you want more information, just inbox me or contact me and I will send you the information for the promotion. It has been extended to this Sunday. 2 books of stamps here, and this must be the payment. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay, so this is a $50 payment. Came in at the Ruby level. He actually joined someone else on my team, and I received a payment from Earl. So thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. So if we add that up, including my $7,000 payment, that's through direct mail as well, along with these payments. This is well over $8,000 for the week. Okay, and we're just getting started, guys. We're in our peak season. I keep telling people that this is the time of the year when a lot of people join this opportunity, and you can be one of those people. I am here. If you join me, I will make sure that you have everything that you need. You'll be getting a packet in the mail. You're going to get your stamps. You're going to get 100 copies of your letter that's going to go out, and you're going to get a blueprint from me to show you exactly what to do. And it's going to include, the blueprint will include one of these calendars. I love to write. That's how I remember things. But here is my direct mail solution calendar. As you can see, it has my little avatar on here and the information for my direct mail solution. But with this calendar, what you're going to do is take the information from the blueprint and apply what it is that I'm telling you that you need to do within this calendar so that you can stay on target with your traffic, whether it is mailings, drop cards, yard signs, whatever it is. And I give you guys over 15 different ways to market your opportunity. All you're doing is logging in the trainings for your program, whatever program it is that you're in. You're logging what traffic sources you're going to be using on what days, and this is going to keep you busy for the next 90 to 120 days. So you do receive this calendar in the mail along with the blueprint and along with some other marketing materials that you're going to need, along with where to get free business cards and things like that for your business and how to use it. So that's one of the things that I offer when people join me. These packets I am sending out every week. Okay, just give me some time to get them together, make your copies, and send them out to you. If you have joined me directly, please reach out to me for a cover letter. If you are in Impact Mailing Club, you want to make sure you reach out to me so that I can make your cover letter. You are going to need a website, your domain name, phone number, and your full name. That will be on your letter when it goes out, and I will send you a copy electronically for you to approve before I make the copies. Okay, so hey Karen, thanks for tuning in. Hey Sissy, hey Tanya, thanks so much for tuning in, guys. So I just want to tell people, don't allow fear to hold you back. Fear is the lowest frequency that will keep you stagnated when it comes to your business, when it comes to everyday life. Sometimes you have to, no matter how much failure you had online, sometimes you have to just make a decision that this is something that you want to do, and you have to stick to it and see it till the end, and you will have success within your business. So thanks so much for tuning in, guys. I'll see you back another day. Happy Tuesday, and stay inspired and stay blessed.